Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Kylie Cosmetics 21 collection, the eyeshadow palette, the Hello 21 lip collection, and these two shimmer shadows. And it did come with this cute little note in the back. So this is the eyeshadow palette. And it comes, this is like really cute little drinking cups. It's called Sipping Pretty. And this is how the inside looks. So I really like the whole like colors in it. I feel like they're really pretty. And the names are on the back of the palette. And I will insert some swatches right now. I'm going to just go and take this shade right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this really pretty pink right here. And this shadow is really pigmented. The transition color was also pigmented. And these feel like these are actually really easy to blend in. I'm gonna go and take this shade right here. I'm finished applying the eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape concealer and just do a kind of like a half cut crease on the lid. I'm just gonna go and take the Kylie Jenner liquid shadows. And this packaging is really cute. It has like actual glitter on it. Super cute pack. So now I'm going to swatch these shades for you guys. And I picked up the colors in Born to Sparkle and Fine Wine. And this is how they look. Okay, so this one is Born to Sparkle. And this is like a really pretty, this is like a really pretty gold. It kind of looks like it has a little bit like of like an olive pigment in it. This is the shade Fine Wine. And that color is really pretty. I actually really like this color. I'm going to use the Born to Sparkle. And I'm just going to put this on my lid. That's super pretty. Look, I'm going to take this really nice, pretty color right here. And it has like a lot of, it looks like it has like little pinkish purple shimmers in it. And I'm going to take this on the outer corner of my lid. and just apply it where the gold ends. And I'm going to take the same shade and put it in the inner corner of my lid. A little bit of the shimmer went away, so I'm just going to apply a little bit more on top. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. I'm going to pop on some lashes and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so this is how the look came out. Now I'm gonna swatch the lipsticks, and this came in a really cute packaging. It says Hello 21. Here are the lipsticks. I'm gonna start off swatching this shade, and this is in the shade Queen. And that's how it looks here. The next shade is Boy Bye. And this one is Rad. Say No More. Victoria. And the last one is Boss. And to finish this look, I'm using the Too Faced highlighter. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to pick up their new highlighter that came out with the launch, so I'm going to be using this instead. This is the finished look. I'm going to zoom you guys into the eyes. So overall, I think the eyeshadow palette was my favorite product that I used. The shadows were really smooth to work with. They weren't like shocky or anything. They were really nice and they blended really well. Their pigmentations were really nice as well. With this one's right here, they're like super pretty. They dry down. Like, it doesn't smear out or anything. And this one's, the one that I used was Born to Sparkle, and it's like super pretty. It has great pigmentation. So yeah, so these were really nice. They do have a different one, which is like a peachy color, but that one was sold out when I tried to purchase it. For the Hello 21 collection, I really liked all the colors. All the colors are really pretty. The collection does come with 4 velvet liquid lipsticks and 2 matte ones. The shade that I have is Boy Bye, and I think the shade's in the velvet. It doesn't feel super drying. It's actually like, it feels moisturizing, and the color's really pretty. I feel like it went really good with the whole look that I did. So for the products that I purchased, the birthday eye palette was $65, which isn't too bad. It's a pretty big palette. It has a lot of shades in it, so I feel like it's a fair price. The shimmers are $20, and the birthday bundle with the lipsticks was $36. Okay, so that's all for this review. I hope you guys liked the look. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.